More yucky.
Yeah, and it's like really,
But this is carpeted.
Yeah, I don't see a date on it at all.
You think that was original?
I don't know. Do we need like a putty knife or something to scrape it?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I should have brought this
Oh,
metal scraper.
should I get the trash can?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, are you trying to find date code, Wick?
Yeah.
Made in USA.
Looks like your car.
On the other side.
In real life, that's actually the situation.
Oh, right. 48 of 04.
There you go.
19-year-old brand new tire.
Oh, that's just like the silver seats.
Yeah, it's fine.
They're good. They're probably good for another 19 years.
Oh, God.
Just don't go,
Peter's
don't go
on the
above
job.
like 3 miles an hour.
Yeah, look at Peter making some progress on that shit.
Peter's on the job.
Peter, he's
To the best of my belief,
Hey, Rod.
owners own it. Nuclear.
Look at you.
Yeah, but now angry. You get angry, you work better.
Yeah. Well, I'm angry all the time.
Wow, look at that big piece I got. Wow.
Here, let's put this in the. Let's get some of this in the garbage, and then
Is this coming out too? The carpet?
I think so.
What is this thing?
And then we got to get. I think we might want to undo this seat. Filming. There you go.
What do you want this piece?
That's for the.
I know that's for the over here somewhere. Or? Yeah, it's a
Look over here in the corner.
I need.
Oh yeah, we do.
This is where
They're cool. Yeah.
Look at that. Mr. Sen, can you grab this out? You and the boys take this out.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes, give me some lift.
Okay, well, I'm one-handed because I'm filming. You got it?
Guys.
Got it.
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, look. More stuff for Glenn to scrape.
Oh, no. Yes.
Look at that.
It's
Great.
beautiful.
It's not bad. It's the front half was like you sat in the ocean.
sound deadener. Actually, this thing for being in a
Oh, that's a good Tom picture.
We might be missing a piece. This one.
Ah!
You know what? But there was probably never.
No, I don't think that. I don't think
That's not original.
I don't think that's original.
That's definitely not original.
That was made by somebody
There was
to keep
probably
the tire from
nothing
vibrating.
back
The
here.
pile is not like 50s pile.
Yeah, there was nothing back there.
Oh, yeah.
No,
Why would they carpet that?
To keep the spare tire from rattling.
Depending, this may have been a higher end model.
Yeah, that's going to need a lot of 415.
Yeah, there's gonna be some work going on in here. Your beer got lost. End of days. Oh girl.
Bobby.
What's happening?
Dang it, Bobby.
Damn it, Bobber. Ah! Jesus. The question is, does it match the drapes?
What we didn't get was the little piece of carpet that goes underneath the
Spare tire.
But
And the boys think it was original because the backing's the same.
yeah,
Right here, in this bin.
so we'd have to get some carpet dye.
Hey, Aaron, I'll see you.
Let's get some black spray
This
paint.
is-
Yeah.
It looks good. Look at you boys.
Oh, girl, we've been scraping like nobody's business.
Look at this. Glenn's got chunks of chip coming out. Wow. I am impressed.